Hi, this is Gabriel Lipper, and welcome to the Portrait Workshop. Portraits are one of my favorite subjects. They show our humanity and our personality. Whether I'm working with a model in the studio or painting a picture of someone I love, the feeling of being able to capture that likeness, that expression, and that person is like no other. But a portrait's more than just a face. The structure and form of the head, the color, the life that you can convey with paint. Put a portrait on the wall that resonates not just for the person painted, but for everyone who sees it. So why specifically the Portrait Workshop? Well, the portrait is also many artists' Achilles heel. Painting the face is one of the most difficult things that we can undertake as artists, and I want to cut through all of the mystery and fear around it, because it doesn't have to be that difficult. In this workshop, we'll be diving into how to create solid structures and build a portrait that's not just a pretty face, but the entirety of a person. So I'll be talking about form and faceting, color, value, and how to bring it all together. This workshop is 2 weeks long, filled with pre-recorded videos that you can watch at your own pace. And at the end of every week, I'll be doing a live Q&A where I can answer your questions and demonstrate some of the techniques. You're gonna have all of the content for an entire year. This is a mid-level workshop designed for artists who have a little bit of background when it comes to drawing and painting and want to take their skills to the next level. It also is designed for artists who maybe have been relying on photographs exclusively to paint their portraits. Portraits are complex, and I break down all the different ways of seeing form, proportion, and color, making the portrait less daunting and more accessible. I'll be covering drawing, even faceting the form, making sure that you have a dimensional portrait instead of just a flat portrait that copies the lights and darks of things. We'll also be covering values, the lights and darks of things, and color, and the subtleties of reflected light when we break into a more abstracted approach to portraiture with loose brushstrokes that allow you to create expressive and dynamic portraits that aren't trapped by the drawing and the outlines. By the end of this workshop, you'll be able to walk away with a portrait that you're proud of, and portraits that resonate not just for you or the model, but for everyone who walks by, for everyone who sees them. An artist who can paint a portrait is an artist to be remembered, and I hope that you'll join me on this journey as we master the portrait together.